Grabe. Jacob.
That's burden. So they were on the 10th floor.
Joseph. Naku, nagbabatab na yan si Joseph.
Oh my God, 25 hours to Bensa.
Pwede ba mag-extend?
Mag-extend, hindi pa tayo day 1.
Magre-relax daw si Joseph sa bathtub.
Tutang 11.
Oh, ito na ba, Joseph?
We are on the 10th floor. Ay, ano siya?
Oh.
Okay. Go inside the bro.
Hello guys, today we're going to be going into the Pistachio Hotel. So first, here's the cabinet. Yeah, just a safe here. It's really good.
Ano ba ito?
Here's some more clouds, you know. Yeah, there's some
They have
clouds.
4 din, diba? So nice. Also, these ones are free. This part, but this is not, huh?
Oh, no.
Oh. Kuya will gonna pay for it. And how about this one? Oh, yan, ang fridge
There's
nila.
also a
Oh.
fridge. It's really good.
Libre din yan?
Oh, let's go,
No, hindi, syempre. Yan, you're gonna pay for that. And then, next is, saan ang next tayo? Open your room.
So that's the
Room number 1.
the room number 1. It's really good.
This is your room.
Oh, that's a home king. Got home king conjure. Anyways,
Bro, get it. Oh, you have your TV naman pala dito, oh. Oh, yan. Okay.
hello.
Parang anong pinapambay?
Sobrang saya niya, oh. Oh, may tigisa kayong room ni Kuya. Oh, let's go to Daddy and Mommy's room. Dito muna tayo sa, sa bathroom.
Hello guys, this is the bathroom. There's a bathroom.
This is so
Oh, shower
nice.
cap. There's some shower cap. There's some shaving kit. There's some toothbrush.
Okay.
There's also these cups for toothbrushing, I think. There's
Oh,
some.
may bathtub pa si Mang Jose, oh. Ayan, oh.
You can close it for privacy.
Joseph, you have bathtub. Walang, blow hair dryer.
There's a bidet.
Next tayo.
There's a bidet which I can spray glow in it.
Bro, let's go na. To the next room. This is Daddy and Mommy's
Other
room.
bedroom. It's really good. There's even a wedding room. There's even a sofa.
We have a TV also.
Huh, sure.
And what's this? Lalagyan ng mga gamit natin. Okay.
Even with outside.
May menu pa sila dito. Ay, mga pupuntahan. And this is the menu. Tingnan.
What would you like for today?
We have big bed pala naman. Oh.
Madam, what would you like for today?
What?
What would you like for today?
Siya hype na hype talaga siya. Oh.
What would you like for today?
And may pa-cake sila. Sabi ko lang naman may lit, tayo. Celebration and also birthday.
Wedding anniversary.
Ayan. Thank you, Pistachio Hotel. And this is our view for the next 5 days.
What's gonna be?
What is?
Super foggy.
You forgot to order, madam.
Walang mo ko!
Kakulit. Happy siya. Bro, oh, para ka nasa Baguio. Ayan, oh. Sa Baguio lang tayo. Massage hands pa din pala to, Daddy.
Ako, doon kami sa tapat ni Mami.
May privacy pala tayo. Walang maligalig kasi we have our own room.
Huh?
Yay! Oh, say hi, everybody.
Hello, guys.
Hello.
Hello daw.
Oh, hi. Say hi.
No,
Hi, guys.
No kids allowed sa room na to.
No kids
ha?
allowed here. Lalagyan namin ni Daddy doon sa room. Sa labas. No kids allowed.
This is the aircon. You can turn it on.
Hindi pa ba naka-on?
What's the aircon?
Bro, you have your own room.
What's the aircon?
There goes.
May hair dryer pala sila. And also, meron silang sleepers. Ayan, 4 sleepers. Oh, gamit na ni Mang Joseph ng isa.
Chico.
Tapos mag-ano na lang tayo.
Ha? It's metal chopsticks, bro.
Kasi ito, ulit ako.
Balik talaga ni Master Joseph magluto eh.
May nalagyan mo siya ng pork.
At ipagawa mo nga daw si Kuya ng isa yung may kimchi.
Kimchi.
Gusto,
Ang iba eh.
gusto daw ni Kuya eh. Ha?
Ayan, lagyan natin ng rice.
Gusto daw ni Kuya na may kimchi, yung ano nga ng gulay. Dali na, Jacob.
Wala ba siyang like na din. Super lang.
Jacob, ganun daw. Uy, mabawal yung ano, lahat yan dapat. Lalo isang dahon ng ano yun. Sabihin mo, let's eat. Ano, anong tawag dito? Barbecue. Tara. Hindi, tara. Yeah, sabihin mo, tara. Yun eh.
Ayan, okay na. Okay.
Chocolate.
Hot choco, hot choco. Okay, fine.
And now it's overcharged and now it's extra. Yeah, but it's what if it's actually in the universe, but not really.
Uy, anak, ano ba yung amos mo na? Ah!
And then this, and then mom, this is actually coffee.
What if one part of the earth was on the universe and one part of earth was on the not in the universe?
We would be dead.
Sa Vietnam tour daw eh.
Kong. Si Kong. Kong Phoebe pala yun. Kong Cafe.
Nakuhanan ko si Kuya kanina yun.
언제부터 네가 남자로 보여 어느새 얼굴이 화끈
Ayun na, nagkakabayaran na dito.
You're just went into the wall.
Anong kano yung nakubra natin dyan?
Backflip. Frontflip.
Para segregate siya per month.
Kano nabukat natin today dito? Nigit mo.
For 50,000.
Let's control the air and spin it.
Saan yung 20?
This,
50,000. Hirapan natin sarili natin.
Jacob.